Okay guys, welcome back to another detailing video. In this video we have a 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. As you guys can see, this truck needs a really good wash. This is a dealership truck. I be doing a lot of details for this dealership, and they only buy trucks, so every truck that they bring me, you never know the condition it's going to come in, but I know for sure I have to do a full detail and a polish, which this is exactly what this truck is going to get. So after I'm done with the rinsing process, we start the washing process, which of course you always want to start from top to bottom. That is the most important thing when it comes to washing your car. You always start from top to bottom. As I'm washing the truck, my friend, which is also one of my workers now, is washing the wheels, making sure they're clean. We put super clean in that bucket, and I like to use a rag. The wheels on this truck were pretty damaged up. They have a lot of oxidation and rust, so there's not much you can do to it, but we still try to get them as clean as possible. I am not using the 2-bucket method on this truck. There's no reason to do that when I'm fixing to do a full detail and polish. If I was just doing a basic wash, I would more than likely use it, but in this case I have to do a deep detail on this truck, so a 2-bucket method wasn't really gonna do much. As I mentioned earlier, every truck that I do for this dealership, they always require a polish. So on this truck I use my Max Shine N15 with the orange pad, orange foam pad, and I used Sonax Perfect Finish just because the paint wasn't in such bad condition, so I just wanted to bring out some gloss and remove minor scratches. I'm gonna speed up the video now so you guys don't get bored. I'm basically just doing the same thing over and over from panel to panel. I always like to start on the passenger side. I don't know, that's just the way that I detail. I have my own routine, and when it comes to polishing, I like to start on the passenger side, and then I go the whole way around until I get to the top. I always leave the top for last because it's usually the hardest and the one that takes the longest to correct. And if you guys are wondering why I'm still working at home, trust me guys, I've been looking everywhere for a shop. I actually looked at 2 or 3, but they just didn't work out, or somebody beat me to them. So right now I'm having no luck as far as finding my own place again, but I still believe and I have faith that I'll be able to find something soon. And here's the final result after 2.5 hours of me, my friend, and my brother working on this truck. As you guys can see, the paint is definitely shining. There's a lot more gloss to it. 1-step polish was enough for this truck. It looks a lot better than when it came. And of course, we also detailed the interior fully. It turned out really good. I'm definitely happy with the results. This truck is gonna be sold really quick at that dealership. Shout outs to Bluegrass Auto Sales here in Bowling Green. Check them out if you guys want to buy a truck. Of course, I'm sure you guys want to see it out in the sun, so we're gonna do that.